I came out to check on everybody. So they're having this is a wonderland here with all this water. And look, this tree just, I guess it blew right over. I mean, we did have some really strong gusts of wind. And it doesn't look like the tree is still alive. I can't tell what's what here. No, I don't see much in the way of leaves on it. Look, it just blew right over. Poor thing. Fortunately, doesn't look like any of the ducks were near when it happened. They were in the backyard while it was storming. Goodness gracious. Yeah, that was a storm, y'all. What are you saying? Yeah. You guys are in heaven, aren't you?